welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a weekly meal prep. My husband and I are kind of on a no carb, low carb kind of meal plan. So we're going to make sure we are washing all of our produce so we have that ready for the week. All of our veggies cut up. We're making some hard-boiled eggs. I'm also going to make some pasta sauce. I'm going to make it with organic ground beef, and I found this, I think it was Ragu brand of pasta sauce that had no sugar added, really clean ingredients surprisingly. So I'm going to make that a little bit differently. Usually I make it myself, but I want to make sure there's no sugar added. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. just doing a little bit of a cleanup. Meal prep does require some time, some dishes, a little bit of work, but it is totally worth it during your work week when you want to just get takeout. You don't want to go home and cook and pull everything out. You remember, oh, I have chicken cooked, roast up some fresh veggies, whatever it is you have on your meal plan that week. It totally saves you time and totally saves you money. That was my biggest thing, and it's just healthier for you so you're not eating out. Here we made some little snack boxes, our sauce, here's all our produce, strawberries and raspberries. My lettuce is washed, everything is ready for the week. I hope you guys like this video and please subscribe.